Hi there and welcome back to another vlog. I've been feeling like really weird today, like not just today, kind of the last 2 days I've been feeling a little unmotivated and kind of weird, but I thought maybe forcing myself to vlog would kind of get me out of my head a little bit. And I've never done this. Usually when I'm starting to not feel good, I would cocoon a little bit, I'd watch a lot of TV, and then usually it would end in me like, not feeling, feeling worse, to be completely honest. Now I do think resting is important, but I also think it's good to like try and get yourself out of that mindset when you're in like a bad place. So I've started feeling a little unmotivated, down on myself. So I'm forcing myself to get out of my head and vlog today. And there's honestly a few things I wanted to do, needed to do anyways. I did order a few things from Princess Polly, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a fall clothing haul. And I'm also gonna clean out my clothes. I have so many shoes, pairs of jeans, clothes in general that I haven't worn that don't fit me, that I just genuinely don't like or aren't really my style anymore. So I'm gonna go through them today and do all of that. So let's get started. Also, I do have a Princess Polly discount code. I've had it for a while. I don't know if I've ever mentioned it before, but you can use Lindsay XO for 20% off the entire website. So first I got this June mini sweater dress. I'm not typically someone who wears a lot of dresses, but I realized that I also really don't like putting outfits together, and when you wear a dress, the whole outfit is already put together. I'm too lazy to go all the way downstairs to change every time, and my window is like right over there. So I'm like hiding in the stairway and changing this way. Okay, this outfit is my favorite. Oh my gosh, how cute. First, these pants are the Iggy gingham pants, and these are so cute. They're very like form-fitting skinny pants. I think they're really cute. And then this top is the Unwritten Love top, and I got it in white. I think they also had it in black. Honestly, I might end up getting it in black as well. This is super cute. No one's gonna love this outfit. These are the Smith jeans. These fit so nicely and they're really comfortable. They're not like super like stiff. I hate when jeans are like really like stiff and uncomfortable. These are comfy, they're cute. I needed a pair of jeans without holes in them. All of my jeans have holes, or all the ones that don't have holes, you'll see when I do my closet clean out in a little bit, they're all like way too small, so they don't fit. These are really nice. Also, I have a habit of ruining my jeans when I wash them and they get like shrunk and too small. If you have any tips, I'm sure I could just Google it. Maybe I'll do that before I wash my clothes again. How can I ensure these don't shrink? Because these are so nice. This is the Lola cardigan. I don't really think it matches with this outfit too much. Actually, it's, oh my gosh, wait a second. Take two. This is a Lola cardigan. I wasn't sure if it matched with this, but honestly, it's not. It kind of does match. This is way too warm for me to wear it right now, but it's so warm that when it gets cold out, I am so excited to put this on. And it's so cute and so comfy and so soft. It's not like one of those like itchy cardigans. This is soft. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is the Calvin top. It's a cute black pullover with a zip, and it's a little cropped, which I like. I feel like this is going to be something I wear all the time. Does anyone else have an irrational fear of turtlenecks? Because I do. Also, my hair bow just completely broke and, did not have my back like I thought it did. So my hair all fell down. But honestly, I'm digging this volume. This is a lot of volume. I don't know where it came from. But this is just a cute little ribbed turtleneck. This is called the Grand Gestures top. Black again, still cropped. I love this. Honestly, digging my hair right now too. This is like a whole vibe. Whoa. As much as I'm not like a fashion girl anymore, I did miss doing hauls because it is fun to just like try these on and be like, hello. I don't know if that made any sense, but if you watched my hauls back in the day before I deleted all of them, maybe you know what I'm talking about. Last but not least, this is the Laneway top. It's a nice like bluish gray oversized sweater, super comfy as well. Unfortunately, I was gonna pair this sweater with the last pair of jeans I got with they're just really cute pair of like kind of like faded black girlfriend jeans, but unfortunately they did not fit. They were just a little bit too small, but that's okay because they are so cute that I'm just going to exchange them for a bigger size because I really want them. I am burning up for how many times I changed, and let me show you my stairway. Start here, we got the box, and we've got all the way up. So I'm probably gonna clean this up real quick, and then I'm gonna head downstairs and we're gonna start going through my clothes, or my closet, and my drawers. This is gonna be fun. I'm back. It's the next day. So I started to clean out my closet, and honestly, I was getting very overwhelmed really easily. Like I noticed myself stressing out and I don't know, just getting frustrated like at the drop of a pin. I'm not gonna lie, I'm finding myself getting like easily stressed out today. Like, I don't know why this is like making me very stressed. Breathe. This is not something I'm used to doing on camera. Usually I would just like yell into a pillow or something and just get it out. I'm never gonna finish this video. So I chilled out and then I started my period, so it all made a lot more sense. So I decided to not finish the video yesterday and let myself just have the rest of the day as like an editing day and stuff like that because I was on my period and I needed some chocolate. I also went to the store and got some ice cream. But I'm back and we're just gonna start over on the closet clean out because I really wasn't getting anything done. It's probably not my smartest day to do a closet clean out because they are doing open houses on our place at 3 o'clock. It's currently 10 a.m. So I have to be able to get this all done and then cleaned up before then, but I'm confident that I can do that. Okay, as you can see, there's zero organization to this and everything is just like shoved in here. After I clean all of it out, when we move to the new place, it'll be a lot easier. The truth is, Noah and I moved in here and we were really good at being organized, but we realized as we were here, we just have too much stuff. And we are trying to go, we're not trying to become like minimalist, but we are trying to have more of a minimalistic approach on what we buy and what we keep and, you know, not consume as much and try and work with what we have. But we're also trying to get rid of a lot of things that we have because we have too much. And a lot of the things I have are just old. Like those shorts I see on top are from Limited Too, size 14. So I'm just going to try on every single pair of pants, shorts, and jeans I have first, and I'm just going to go with my gut. Either yes or no. The moment that I have a thought, I'm just going to go with that. And if I change my mind on a few things, I think that's totally fine. But I'm just going to try and go with my gut and do it as quickly as possible. I have all of my yeses. My drawer is going to fit so much better now. And now we have the pile of no's. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, that was not my favorite way of figuring out what I was keeping and what I was not keeping. I'm obviously gonna speed it up for the video, but it took me like my nose is itching, a while to try everything on. It's been about an hour, and like I said, there are people coming to view the place today, so I think I'm gonna do something different. So next I'm gonna go through my shoes, and instead I'm just gonna go with my gut when I look at them and put them in yes piles, no piles, and maybe piles, and then in the end I'll go back and try on all the maybes to make those decisions. And yes, I am out of breath. So these ended up being all of my yeses after sorting through the maybes. And I'm not someone who wants to get rid of everything and then have to rebuy either. So I did give a lot of my shoes that I really like a second chance. Like these, for example, I love these, but I don't know the last time I've worn them. I think I forgot I had them. These Steve Madden platforms were one of my favorite shoes last year. I have my nose. This was kind of tough because I really like these tennis shoes, but I have two that I kept. I kept a good pair for the gym, and then my new white pair, these have just gotten kind of gross and I don't really wear them anymore, so I'm gonna donate these. These do not fit me, they're too small. These cheetah heels are so cute, but they are so uncomfortable and they're very slippery. Whenever I wear them, I tend to like trip the whole time. Last and saddest thing I'm getting rid of are these white boots. I've had these for a few years. You've seen them all over my Instagram. I've gotten so many compliments on them. These were definitely back from my like crazy hauls, fashion videos that like I took down off my channel. But truthfully, these are the most uncomfortable pair of shoes I've ever owned. Every single time I'd wear them, I'd have them on for like 10 minutes and I'd have massive blisters. You put them on and your entire foot just kind of aches. And I think they're really cute, but as hard as it is, I just don't want to be wearing, I don't want to be tempted to put shoes on for photo shoots that I'm promoting to you guys that I'm not actually going to wear. So I'm going to say bye to those. I just realized I have my black high-heeled Doc Martens. Those were my favorite shoes last year. I think Doc Martens are actually really comfortable once you break them in, and those are high-heeled. Those were like my go-to heel, very my style, and I just realized they're in the trunk of the car. I forgot I have them. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to wear those again. I know the main thing I'm getting rid of are obviously things I don't wear, things that don't fit anymore, things that aren't very comfortable, and also I've been getting rid of a lot of prints because I noticed that I don't really wear them. I'm someone that would like buy prints, like printed clothing for like a photo, honestly, back then, and then I never really wear them. I really do gravitate more towards like simple outfits. If you notice in the try on, everything I wore was pretty simple, basic pieces, but that's like my style. That's just what I feel confident and comfortable in. So it is interesting that there are so many items in my closet that are prints that like I don't feel good in. Not that there's anything wrong with buying prints. We all have different styles. I obviously picked these out because I thought they were, you know, really pretty tops, but it's weird because on me, I don't enjoy them. This little dress I wore for a masquerade last Halloween. It's so beautiful on. I don't know if I'm ever gonna be able to wear this again. I'm gonna save this because I don't know, maybe Noah and I will go on a fancy date. So now we have my pile of no's for my clothes, and the very last thing I have to go through is over here. This is actually like my undie drawer, which obviously I'm not going through my underwear on camera, that would be weird. But I'm gonna go through, there's also workout clothes in there, a few bralettes, and then what else is in there? Oh, swimsuits. So I'm gonna go through those. Come on, come here. Sit down, I'll pet you. What are you? Are you jealous? Come here. Okay. Sit down, Grouchy. Oh, Grouchy butt. So I am all done with going through things now. Roaster. I finished hanging up the rest of my yeses, so now I just have all of my no's on the floor. I am gonna put all of that stuff in a bag because we do have the open houses in about an hour, and I'm gonna like do a little bit of like a cleanup before they come. So I'm gonna put all that stuff in a bag, and then I am gonna go through it sometime this weekend and decide if I'm gonna put anything on Poshmark. The only thing I'm worried about with that is that we are moving so soon. I have to make sure I'm going to have time to send everything off, but make sure you're following me along on Instagram because I will let you know over there if I decide I'm going to Poshmark anything. Also, let me know if you do want to see a part 2 when I clean out my beauty stuff and like all my jewelry, because I can do that because we're going to clean it out anyways. But I love you all so much, and thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.